What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick and honest review of Viewmax.io and answering the main question, is Viewmax.io legit or is it a scam? So, what is Viewmax.io? Viewmax.io markets itself as an AI-powered video creation and editing platform, offering tools like AI scripts, voiceovers, captions, and templates designed for social media content and short-form videos. Now let's talk about trust and transparency. Independent website checkers show mixed results. Some security tools label Viewmax.io as questionable or medium risk, while others say the site appears technically safe, but note important concerns like a very new domain and hidden ownership details. That's not direct proof of a scam, but it is a red flag, especially when combined with the lack of clear company information. Legit platforms usually provide transparent ownership, contact details, and a proven track record. Another issue is limited real user feedback. Right now, there aren't many verified reviews or trusted third-party testimonials confirming long-term reliability or customer satisfaction. That makes it difficult to fully trust the platform. So what's the bottom line? There's no solid evidence proving Viewmax.io is an outright scam, but there's also not enough proof to confidently call it fully legit. Because of the new domain, limited transparency, and mixed trust signals, it's best to approach Viewmax.io with caution. If you decide to try it, avoid sharing sensitive information or making large payments until the platform proves itself over time. That's it for this review. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe online.